Hello everyone. I want to just post a quick screencast assigning your third application essay. Um, the good news about this third application essay is that it is shorter than the first two, and it scaffolds into your final paper where you're analyzing your pop culture artifact. So let's just dive in here. So for your App Essay 3, you are actually going to write section 3, or the theory section of your artifact paper. So this essay really is meant to help you progress in your artifact paper. I find that the theory section of the artifact paper is the most difficult for my students usually, and so this way you get to have a first run at it. I can give you comments to improve it, and then you can copy and paste it into your artifact paper. So below all of this right here, folks, this right here is copy and pasted directly from the pop culture artifact assignment sheet. So if you haven't watched that screencast, you need to. It is in the Getting Started section. The assignment sheet is in the Getting Started section as well for you. So if you haven't taken a look at that, make sure you do that. It's extremely important. It's the most weighty single assignment in our class. All right. So you should answer each of these 5 questions in your app essay. In this third one, okay? You'll write it like it's the middle of your artifact paper, so it will feel a little bit awkward. That's okay. Okay, the whole point of this is for you to write about the theory you are going to pick. Okay, also, this is extremely important. Do not apply the theory to your artifact in this essay. All you're doing here is telling me which theory you've chosen and then explicating the theory. Okay? And if you will answer these questions here, you will be in good shape. Okay? Let the questions guide you. All right? So, feel free to start this essay like this. The theory I've chosen for my analysis is social exchange theory. The theory I've chosen for my analysis is relational dialectics. Okay? And by the way, you can still go back to I believe it's week 5. Yeah, week 5, theories of interpersonal communication. You can still go back. You can still access those screencasts. The theories are in the book, all of them except uncertainty reduction theory. So use your book, use the screencast, use the PowerPoints as your resources, okay? The theory I've chosen for my analysis is, and you put your theory there, and then you answer these as best you possibly can, okay? What theory have you picked to utilize in your analysis? When was it developed and by whom? What are the basic principles of this theory? So this is where number 3 and number 4 are going to be the most weighty, wordy aspects of this essay and then this section of your artifact paper, okay? So if you're talking about relational dialectics, you have to talk about that it's about contradictions, that it's about whichever set of dialectics you think you're going to be using, but you're going to talk about the within relationship tensions and then the social tensions, okay? If you do choose relational dialectics, you don't have to give a full-blown explanation of every little piece of the theory. That makes for like a 10-page just app essay, okay? Talk about the internal tensions, the external tensions, and then just list the methods for dealing with them, okay? If you do social exchange theory, you have to talk about the formula, the comparison levels for alternatives, and then sort of how that results. If you're doing social penetration theory, it's all about the onion, it's all about self-disclosure, it's all about intimacy. And then if you do uncertainty reduction theory, it's all about the passive, interactive, active strategies, and then some of the axioms, okay? So number 3 and number 4 are where you're going to really explain the theory. Show me that you understand the theory, okay? This app essay is 1 to 3 pages. This is shorter than your other application essays, and the reason is because this app essay is meant for you to turn it in, for me to read it, give feedback, and then you make the changes and then copy and paste it with the changes into your final artifact essay. Okay, so it's due by 11:30 p.m. Wednesday, November the 14th. I know that this is a different date than is in the course schedule. I'm giving you some extra time to make sure that you have time to select your theory and write about it. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. I look forward to what theories you pick for your artifact paper. I'll see you in the boards for this week.